Look at that worm go. Whoa, he just knocked the wood lice out the way. And he's gone. Look. That ant. Look at that. He's going. Look. He's winning.
Hi guys, welcome to RaiyahFunPlay. Today we're going to make a nature video so that we can catch some ants. Don't forget to subscribe the button down below. So let me show you all what we're going to do. So we need to do scissors and catch the bugs. Let's get started. So let's pick some bugs.
So you're looking for bugs. Are you looking for just ants or are you looking for lots of bugs?
Just ants.
Just ants?
Yeah. I found a big one. Get this one open.
He's so fast.
Yeah. I got some already. Oh. Oh.
Is he gone?
He's still there. Go on guys, put him in the contact. Yes. Let's find a couple more. So, where have we got more? Oh, I found a couple ants. These are not red ants.
What colour are they?
They're only black. Have we seen any red ants? I saw some red ants, but let's not get those ones because they look creepy. We don't want to put them in. But our one is easier. Maybe let's get some leaves and put them in their home.
Oh, that's a good idea.
First, let's get some ants and put them in their home. Oh, there's loads of ants. Oh my God!
Let's see it. Okay.
Okay, open the container. Open it. Let's go, guys. Yes. Second ants. I'm actually about to kill them. Let's.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, and then find like a couple. Oh, I found a big one. Oh my God, there's loads of ants everywhere. It's so far. Let's kill this one. It's so fast. Got it.
Put him in quick.
How do you open it? Okay, close it. Okay, well now we go. How many? Let's find some worms.
Okay.
Oh, worms are disgusting. I don't think there's any worms in our garden.
I think there's not.
I don't think there's any. Maybe some worms maybe might be all the way up. Let's see in this
I can see a cat.
Where?
Oh, he's running! Run away from you.
Okay, I'm gonna look in this mud because worms are always in this mud. Right. We can find like some icky sticky bugs. Let's see under these stones. I'm scared, guys. So let's see. Well, let's see under this one. Oh, okay. This.
Anything under there?
Nothing.
Not quite. Keep looking.
Let's see on this one because I think that. Ooh, I'm scared. It's because my tweezers.
Any bugs?
No. I found one, guys. Get it.
What is it?
It's a beetle or something. Oh, there he is.
Let's have a look. Be gentle, don't squish it too hard.
Okay, so.
Oh, he's upside down. It's alright, he'll turn over.
I'll help him. Don't worry. I can't believe we found one, guys. Oh, they won't like it like that. That one was a good one, but we didn't squash it, so he's not like dead like the ants. Let's find some more. Let's get some.
You digging?
Yeah. See where it is. Guys, I found one. Let's get them.
Found a worm. It's so tiny.
How do you open it? Oh, can you open it?
Gotta be quick. Oh, he's inside.
Where's another one?
Put the lid on.
Where is he? Oh, he skipped.
Keep digging.
Okay, now I'm gonna do like a big art thing. I can't believe we just found that. I just found it.
Let's have a look. Hold it up, hold it up.
Little worm, it's a baby worm.
So tiny. It's even smaller than the last one.
Right, let's get some more. I can't believe, guys, we like found someone. All right, let's check. Let's go in the mud to see what we can find.
What you found?
I found a worm.
Another worm? How many worms have you got?
I don't know. Let me.
How many have you got?
1, 2, 3. I got 3.
3 worms.
Oh, he's upside down.
You helping that one out because he's upside down?
Yeah.
See if we can flip him over. There we go.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna see if we can find more because that was very exciting. Oh, what is that? Is that a big worm? What is this?
What is that?
A big
I
worm.
think it's a slug. Go on, catch the slug. It is a slug.
Oh, the slug is so sticky. Ew. Ew. The slug. Is that a snail?
Oh, maybe it's either a slug or a snail. With no shell. Very slimy. Anything?
Oh, wait, this is a tiny bug. Leave
Just
that.
tiny. Okay.
Wait, just walk. No.
Okay, let's see the bugs that we do have, shall we?
Yeah, but we're gonna have a race, so let's go on the
Should we have a
page.
bug race?
Yeah. Right now we're gonna have a bug race.
A bug race?
Yeah, let's go and take them out.
Who do you think's going to be the fastest bug? Let's see what bugs we've got.
Whoa. They're gonna freak out. Oh well, it's okay because we're gonna have a bug race.
So we've got, let's have a look. This slug, snail.
What?
We've got worms.
Oh, look at that worm.
Ooh, that worm looks like it's going quite fast around the edge.
We got this. Got the worm.
We've got the little wood lice.
Yeah, okay, let's get started with the race.
And where are the ants? I think the ants got a bit squashed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready for the race. Put them out.
Just get this sticky one out first.
Okay. The wood lice is out. The slug's out. The wood lice are going.
them out. They're having a crazy races.
Look at this one. This worm is super fast.
What worm? What worm?
This one.
Oh! Look at this slug.
I think they're going. Some of them don't know which way the finish line is. The wood lice has gone that way. The worm has gone this way. And oh, listen, he's moving. Look.
I'm gonna move this worm, this fasty worm.
Oh, we've got another one still here. Get it out.
Get out. Oh, it's still on.
There we go. Let's see which worm's fastest.
Look at
that worm. Look at that worm go. Whoa, he just knocked the wood lice out the way. And he's gone. Look. Whoa.
Is this one like dead?
Oh yeah, it's not moving.
Yes, this wood lice is not working.
Oh, he's on his back. Turn him over. There we go.
Where's it going?
So who do you think's winning the race, Raya?
I don't think the slug.
No.
Oh! Look at that. I'll get him up. Where's the slug? Is he dead?
No, he's not dead. He's just not moving much. So who's the fastest?
I think these. Guys, it's so much. I'm gonna touch the bugs now. I'm gonna touch bugs. That's the worm. Hi, worm. Oh. Yeah. Now touching the slug. Ooh, so.
What does it feel like?
Look, he's about to move fast. Let's see if he can move faster. They're going crazy. Bugs don't know where they're going.
No, they don't. They might be looking for mud.
Let's put the worms in the mud. Because I love the mud. Put the worms in the mud.
Oh, they're loving that mud, aren't they?
Yeah. They're loving it. Oh, I'm scared. I have to use my fingers. It was so gooey.
You trying to make it go faster?
Yeah. Ew. Thanks guys for watching RaiyahFunPlay's vlog video. Don't forget to subscribe the button down below. Because we make videos fun on RaiyahFunPlay. Smash the thumbs up and give a thumbs up. Because we make videos with RaiyahFunPlay. See you in the next video. This look is so sticky. Ew. You'll see guys. It's having a video.